Hello everyone! Today I am bringing you an exciting recipe that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Mussels dish infused with glass bean noodles and a medley of colorful veggies. Let's start by soaking your glass bean noodles in warm water for about 20 minutes. While your bean noodles are soaking, you can now prepare and chop your fresh ingredients. We need about 1 cup of fresh pea pods cut both ends and remove the string on each side. Also cut about ½ cup celery. Cut 1 cup of green beans about 1 inch thick. And just 1 carrot, cut thinly. For cabbage, we need just about 1 1/2 cup cabbage strips. Smash 8 fresh garlic cloves. Thinly slice 1 whole sweet onion. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. We are going to saute onion and garlic. Next, add your celery, cook for about a minute. Then you can add green beans. After another minute, you can also add your carrots. Followed by the pea pod and the cabbage, and about 1/4 cup of water. Give it a quick toss and lightly sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste. Once they start turning tender, but still retain the crunchiness, remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, saute a little bit of onion and garlic. You can now add 2 pounds of frozen cooked mussels. Cook on high heat for about 2 minutes, or until the mussels completely open up. Do not overcook so they don't get tough. Season with salt and pepper. To elevate the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon dried basil. Scoop mussels and set aside. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from, so I can see how far this video can go. Hello Kevin Links from Australia, and Abby Pratt from Sweden, thank you for watching. We can now drain our bean noodles. In the same pan with the mussels juice, we are going to season it with 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcester sauce, and 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Gently combine all the sauce, then add the glass bean noodles. Mix until all the sauce are combined. Then add 1 teaspoon onion powder and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You can now add your cooked vegetables. Toss them all together. Shout out to Joy Sevilla Terrell from the Philippines. Thank you for watching my video. Lastly, add your mussels. Mix them all together and only cook for a minute. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this recipe video and are eager to try more delicious dishes like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious cooking. Until next time, happy cooking!